What's going on, guys? So today's the day. Today's the day I'm going to get rid of that snowplow on the front of the F-250. I got my part ordered. It's here. And I'm going to start tearing that one off. And I can't wait. I checked all the bolts. There's a couple over in here that are a little bit tough. I already started tearing it apart just a little bit. There's this bolt here. There's one hiding way back in there. And then there's one more over here, I believe. And then the rest are all up underneath. Like you would gain access from underneath up with like a screw gun or something. But I'm excited. So I use this. This is a cool tool. This is just it's made by Gear Wrench. There we go. So this made by Gear Wrench. That's on Amazon. And pretty cool, huh? Ready, tighty, lefty, loosey. It's rebuildable. Well, we can see that in the light or not. You can tear it apart if you gotta fix it. It gets broke. In it, watch this. It swivels. Swivels this way and swivels that way. I think it was like 15 bucks. Maybe the third time that I've ever used it. It was pretty sweet. And made by Gear Wrench, and I'm not sponsored. But anyways, all right, let's get that snowplow off there. See what we can make happen, even though it's raining. I'm probably just going to time lapse this part because you probably don't want to see me unscrewing some bolts. But I got a clip too. I'm going to insert somewhere in this video where you guys can order this part. I got mine from Pfeffer with a P, Pfeffer Ford. I think it was in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and they had that part for $55 or $58 plus shipping. Now, when I got mine, of course UPS brought it. When I got mine, the box was all damaged. The outside box, inside box was fine. Came in a bag. So you had a UPS box and then the Ford part box, and then it was inside a bag, but everything was fine. But the shipping box was busted up pretty good. I don't know what happened there, but you know, that's the way it goes sometimes. I'm just happy I got the part because it's been a long time back ordered, and not many people have this part number. So when I show you the clip, make sure you write it down or screen grab it or whatever you guys do. All right, I'm gonna start tearing this apart. Still got some clips here. You gotta get them off. You gotta use them on the new one. There's the clips right here. You stick a screwdriver in there like that and just pry up. Just like that. And they pop right off. I'll put these on the new one. Well, there it is. As you can see. Now we got the Prius catchers. So I guess we work on that next. Get rid of the Prius catchers. Put the tools back. Q7.
He's going to be pulling out of the main entrance here.
Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm done. The GoPro battery died. So there's the finished product. All clean. That's the bitch bracket right there. Get out the light. Nice and clean. So anyways, hopefully that video helped you guys out. Those Prius catchers, as I call them. Those bolts, some are easy and some are just in a bad spot, and you got about a quarter of a turn on a ratchet at a time, maybe an eighth of a turn. And that one bolt on the driver's side, let's see, it hangs like this, so it'd be this bolt right here. That bolt is an eighth of a turn all the way out. And it's a knuckle buster. So anyways, it's all done. Nothing's ever going back on, so thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. This is the part in the website that I bought for a 2020 Tremor.